Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about another bond which is available in the market provided by Kosamattam Finance Limited NCD. You can see that presently we are having two bonds available in the market. The one Gemini Credits Limited I have already discussed few days back in my channel. You can visit my channel videos and watch that video for more details about those bonds. In this video, I am going to discuss about Kosamattam Finance Limited NCD. So let's go deeper into the bond details. So this bond details gives us around 10.4% interest per annum for the tenure of 7 years. So in this bond, there are different kinds of series are available with different kind of tenures, payout type, whether it's a cumulative or monthly payout or depends on the series you are selecting. So you can see there are total 8 series are available with the highest per interest rate of 10.41% with the lowest is 8.04%. The lowest tenure is 1 year 6 months and the highest tenure is 7 years. So these are the different kinds of series available in this bond. Some are monthly payout will be given, cumulative payout will be given. What is the difference between monthly payout and cumulative payout? So let's take an example. For this bond, each unit value is 1000 rupees. Minimum you can buy 10 units and maximum you can buy 500 units. Suppose you have invested 5 lakhs in this bond, that is 500 units, which is so in that if I have selected series 8 with 10.4% interest, cumulative payout and 7 years tenure. So here you will understand what is cumulative payout. In cumulative payout section, the principal amount and the interest you have earned by investing in this bond both will be paid at the end of a tenure. So now for example of monthly payout, let's take an example of monthly payout of 10%. In this 10% monthly payout, 5 years tenure, your payout will be every month you will be getting some amount, some X amount. So if I am investing 5 lakhs, I will be getting every month on an average of 4,200 rupees. I will be getting on an average every month till the end of this bond period. At the end of this bond period, I will be getting the principal amount along with the interest payment for that month. So you can see November month I am getting the year 2030 November I am getting the principal amount 5 lakh along with the interest for that month. So this is the difference between cumulative payout and monthly payout. So the bond opening dates and closing date is 30th October this bond has been opened and the closing date is 13th November. Allotment date is mentioned as 19th November. The listing date is 21st November. Allotment date, whoever is applying, it's not mandatory and compulsory that for you the bond has been issued. Depends on the demand of the people applying for the bond. Some X amount of units will be issued to the bond based on the demand. So if for you a bond is issued, then on allotment date it will be deposit in your demat account. So now let's go some more details about what does this Kosamattam Finance Limited company do. Like similar to the bond which I discussed 2 days back, this company is also a NBFC bank which lends money to people by pledging the household jewelry. And this company operates across majority in South Indian states that are Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. In northern states, it operates in Maharashtra and UP. So the two bonds which are available in the market are totally similar type of companies, but the difference is this bond is a rating of A, which is a low risk. The previous bond video which I have discussed, the rating was triple B minus, which is moderate risk. Depends on the risk level, the interest you are earning will be varying. So low risk, low interest. Moderate risk, medium interest. High risk, high interest will be provided by the companies. So based on your interest, you can invest in these bonds. So we will meet again with another kind of investment opportunity in our next video. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.